Okay, so it's Wednesday, the 11th of January at Trent College. I'm just after school looking at a spark chamber, which is designed to show ionisation. So I've got here a 5 or 6,000 volt power supply. I've got a black lead, a negative, or potentially and a positive down here, and there's a grid at the top, and I've got a wire underneath. And what happens is we can put an electric field across it. There you go. So you can't see much. You might see the odd spark appearing. I've got it turned up quite high, but not a lot's happening. I've got two radioactive sources. One here is Plutonium-239, 5 microcurie alpha source. So let's see what happens. Got my little holder here, specifically made of wood to avoid shocking myself. I'm going to bring it near and see what happens. Ooh, sparking. So that's the alpha particles in the source, and they are creating sparking. You can just see it. If I go up a little bit now, you've seen the sources down here. I've got another one. This is my beta source. Let's go up a little bit. You can see the sparking. Now then, so that's alpha. I'm going to put my alpha source down carefully. I'm going to try the same at this time with a beta source. So here's my beta source. And surely we get ionisation with that as well. Well, no, not really. So it's interesting, isn't it, how the alpha was really amazing with the sparking and the beta isn't, which is really just showing that one is heavily ionising and the other isn't. So that's the difference, one of them anyway, between strontium-90, which gives out beta particles, electrons, and plutonium-239, which gives out an alpha particle. I could try gamma. Nothing's going to happen either. So there you go, bit of physics fun on a Wednesday afternoon.